Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. Eye hospital ophthalmologist slap rupees 15 lakh compensation for vision loss due to surgical negligence. The District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission 2, Visakhapatnam, has found a private eye institute, its director and two ophthalmologists guilty of medical negligence. They have been ordered to pay rupees 15 lakh in compensation to a patient who lost vision in one eye. In February 2019, a man sustained an eye injury from an air rifle pellet causing bleeding in his left eye. Initially taken to Visakha Eye Hospital, Visakhapatnam, he was referred to LV Prasad Eye Institute for further treatment. There, Dr. Bilal diagnosed the patient with an open globe injury zone 1 and performed surgery to repair a corneal tear. However, a B scan was not conducted prior to surgery, and after no improvement, a CT scan at another hospital revealed the pellet was still lodged in the eye. The patient underwent further surgeries but lost vision in the injured eye. He later filed a complaint with the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Visakhapatnam, alleging medical negligence and seeking compensation. The hospital and doctors denied negligence, asserting that the surgery was conducted with the due care. Such a part of the body and eye should be attended with utmost care. The complainant had to roam around pillar to post searching for a specialist expert who was not referred by the opposite parties 1 to 4, which was their duty to do so, and spend a lot of money with the hope of recovery of vision, and ultimately had to go for oculoplasty and incur lots of financial loss and sufferance which could have been avoided in the treatment at second opposite party hospital was done in a right manner at the right time, observed the commission. Therefore, holding the hospital and its doctor guilty of medical negligence, the commission redirected them to pay rupees 15 lakh compensation. The hospital and its doctors have also been directed to pay rupees 10,000 as legal cost. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.